Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily add a table of content in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So firstly go to Start menu. Here you will type for Word. Tap to open Microsoft Word. Now open blank document. Now firstly apply heading style like how to open Word. This is our main heading. Go to this and select heading 1. Heading 1 for main titles, heading 2 for subheadings, and heading 3 for smaller sections like this. Now place your cursor where you want table of content to appear. Usually it is at the beginning of the document. Select there. Now insert table of contents. Go to the reference tab. Then click on table of contents. From there you can choose any automatic style, like I'm choosing this, and that's it. You will see table of content will created successfully. If you want to update the table, select the table of content. Now here you will see update table. Click on this, then you can update. That's it. Now you know how to add a table of content in Microsoft Word easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.